There is a business model that allows anyone to succeed as a solopreneur.
If I told you the name of it, you probably wouldn't know what it is. But I'm sure you've been influenced by it most times you made a purchase. If you've got a phone and internet connection, you can already start making money with it.
The one-man business? It's affiliate marketing. A simple model where you get paid every time someone buys a product through your personal link. No inventory, no headaches. Just commissions and pure profit.
In this program, you're going to understand why you don't need to hire anyone to succeed, and how you can actually make big money as a solo operator.
We'll share with you how we've used content to generate affiliate marketing sales through long form and short form videos, over and over again.
I'll walk you through selecting the perfect offers, crafting your marketing strategies, and getting paid. Every step you need to build a profitable affiliate business from the ground up.
From picking the right offer to getting paid, you're going to learn every step you need to kickstart your career as an affiliate marketer. This is the one-man business.